bakit pinagtatagpo pa kung hindi naman para sa isa't isa? Okay, explanation doon is para English na nga lang. The reason why you still go through these people, these guys or girls, is because God is helping you and getting ready for the person who is really for you. That's why He's like letting you experience all those people so that you can grow through them, you grow through them, and you learn new things, and that's where you can help yourself sa taong para sa'yo, you know? I mean, it may seem hard at first na parang dami kong pinagdadaanan, there's so many people that like no one's no one's staying with me, like so there's always something going wrong, but that's because you haven't met the one yet, or baka may problema ka na talaga. Baka may problema sa'yo. Paano pag stress na? Stress, wala tayong magagawa eh. Mas stress ka talaga sa pagmamahal. Alam mo yun? Like, ano expect mo? Madali lang? No, babes, no. Love is not easy. Like, it's scary and it's difficult and it is confusing because, and even though it's like all those things, in the end, it's still inevitable for us to feel, you know, because we're human. We're human. So we're like, it's in our instinct or environment to love someone. If you don't, they don't. No problem with